The ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable.
Thank you for joining us once again in our conclusion of the Browns of Hash. How delightful they are, yes? So now, we're going to use the turner. Make sure that they're cooked properly. Don't worry, I checked it moments ago, but for the sake of for the photographic image effect, we're going to turn this over properly once. Here we go. You ready? Oh, yes. Delightful. Then, quickly, we're going to add approximately 1 tablespoon's worth of butter. The properties of butter will provide for it to brown rather. And once again, using our seasonings, the powder of onion, the powder of garlic, the pepper, the salt, so as the butter melts, well, I just created a new reality show, I think, as the butter melts, yeah. As the butter melts, unfortunately, this oven has a bit of a tilt to it, so the butter will seep through the bottom. Brown off nice and delightful. I can assure you these are quite well cooked. It depends on how crispy and or burnt you like it. And this is going to go quite good with the chicken that we had made earlier. Mind you, if there's any comments or questions or something you would like prepared, please feel free to leave comments at the bottom where the comments go. On the chalkboard if you'd like. I remember having to go to the bottom of the ocean once to get chalk. That's a tall tale. And at this time, the assistant, my wonderful charming assistant, not just any assistant, assistant, yeah, is going to assemble it a little bit, shall we? There we go with a spoon. Yes, delightful. Thank you for joining us once again. We are all wrapped up here. You can make them as brown as you like or not. Very importantly for us, our assistant is ready to eat. Our wonderful assistant, our lovely assistant is ready to eat. A huge shout out once again to everyone who comes along every time, every episode to watch what we're doing. I like to watch what I'm doing too. It helps me from stubbing my toes and things like that. Yes. And a huge shout out to the Von Veer Breaks, Spencer Von Veer, Rico Carafino, you know who you are, darling. And Miss Laura of the SSI. None of this would be possible without her. Thank you for joining us once again. Be safe. Peace be to you. Keep it under 100. Stay cool. And we'll see you on the next exciting episode of the ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable.
The ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable.